Hello, I'm Andrew Holsinger, horticulture educator with University of Illinois Extension, and today we're going to learn how to make a holiday wreath. You will need a few items whenever you're putting together a wreath. You will need a frame, some paddle wire, and a pair of pruners, and of course your evergreen material. This is noble fir. It is commonly used in making wreaths. And you may want to harvest some of your own material around your home, and that's something you can do. There are a variety of sizes of wreath forms that you can use whenever making a holiday wreath.
Just be sure you have enough greenery whenever you're assembling the wreath based on its size. You will need to cut your branches into smaller segments to utilize them for the wreath. Typically, only the tips of the branches are used for making a wreath, and so you will want to cut just the tips of the branches to get your material and have that prepared ahead of time before assembling the wreath.
There's nothing like the fragrance of evergreens in the holiday time. So what we do here is we put a layer of evergreens together, and then we
lay the evergreens on the frame and then wrap the wire 2 or 3 times around to secure the branches. And then we assemble another bundle and then lay that over the wire to conceal the wire, and this will continue around for the duration of the wreath.
It's a good idea to keep the first bundle that you do a little bit longer so it helps to cover that up in the future. So then you take another bundle and put it to the outside and wrap, covering where you had your previous wire.
So when we've made it to the end of the wreath, we will need to overlap a shorter bundle over the wire and conceal the end of the wreath. You always want to keep tension on the wire throughout the duration of putting the wreath together so that way it doesn't come apart. Leave yourself some slack at the end of the wreath and make your final cut of the wire, and that leaves you some material of wire to hang the wreath. You can also use a zip tie as a way of hanging the wreath as well. After securing the wire to the end of the wreath and making it to where you can hang it, you can add many decorative features to your wreath. You may add ribbon or a bow and secure that with some of the wire from the paddle wire, and you can add other ornamental features such as pine cones and many things you can find in your home landscape. Be sure to keep your wreath in a cool location, keep it away from vents or sources of heat and direct light, and it should last for the holiday season.